So if you could see, the night light is on the top, and the bottom it looks like it's not. But if I cover this, you can see the light gets brighter. And if you try in the bottom, the light does not go on. So something's wrong with this bottom piece. So if you pull it out, wiggling the prongs, this first piece, there's a little bit of play. You couldn't probably tell in the video, but you could feel it move around. And this piece is nice and solid, so there may be some loose soldering connection inside. So we'll need to open up this nightlight by just pushing out the shield, taking out this twist cap out, and there's going to be a screw that you need to take out inside here. Okay, so now that we have our screwdriver, we're just gonna have to loosen that screw inside, and it should just come apart like so. And if you look closely, if you look right there, there's this piece where the solder is a little bit lifted, or is a cold solder joint. So all we have to do is reheat that, re-solder back in. So we remelted this old solder there. Now we're gonna put it back in, put it back together, screw it tight, put the ring back on, put that shield going on, and then let's try it. Perfect. See, it's lighting up now. So it was just a cold solder joint, and now both of them lights up.